Ka Sorkar Meghalaya kan leit sha ka Sorkar Pdeng banpan jing Pyllait Kyndon Nongtih Dewïong knang ba ki Nongtih Dewïong ki barit ru ki na menteri kam khamsuk ya kan yera pentep do simbut menteri rang ba usnya bhalang dhar hadian ke jingalang bat ki Nongtih Dewïong na Khasi Hills Jaintia Hills bat Garu Hills udhar ulaong ba kerukom scientific mining kaba Mynta kadan kam ki jaka ki bahe hinre ha Meghalaya bon ki Nongtih Kyndon tang ha ki jaka ki barin kumta ka Jylla kan Kyrpad ya ka Sorkar Pdeng ban pinduna ya ka jinghe jong ki jaka ti Dewïong bat ban ailat ya ka Jylla ban ailai senben ya ki Nongtih Dewïong ki barin ulo ongru ba ka jingkhang ti Dewïong nadu usnam ajar khatsau kalakta jor ya ka yok ka kot jong bon ki nongyeng bat deina kata ka daw ba ka Sorkar Jylla kan ra ya ka ni kamat sha ka Sorkar India
Kalau kum ni ka bay day berketuk la meeting balong ni hayeng jong CM nama bah kini ki banai balade ki ba peligiri ki coal trader association lembaga coordination committee jo ki barok wilayah region Khubor Khasi Jaintia makat kum balong mutakan ni ka presence formula jong ni ka scientific mining imat kam no feasible to sangi nama kalau tu complicated marangi mostly ni le ada rat hole mining ting bapli ki wan oat ki wan nam ki pendapat skong tengah nak leng junga for the last 1 month ngala ong to one no daka way but alternative formula what we should do temenin ki siang la ipor la present ya ka presentation ki joki saya presentation kalong ka ba itenan nama ki bon ki mention aku nama ba kawe ki ong bangin di request ke government of India ban reduce ya ketuka arspa hektar tam segi sausan akar lamba kenang begini ki local jungi bapingin de kila man le mining that was very good idea. Number 2 kila frame lang bat ki formula hai bat sistem kumno ngin le kenang ba lamba karat hole mining if possible lamba ka scientific aspect de location teka tu kila present ni tasikawer nga so tunat pau ni tu ipi ba nak lengi kum Sorkar ka jing lam chief minister ngile ngi agree ba ka tika jing aju mu di bapli tingi mentangin mu se government of India barakala if there is provisions kanang Sorkar India kan island ngi ka state government ngin form ngin plan no ka mining la juga ka plan ngin prepare ka plan ka mining la juga kum ka basa ka cika jungi te ka tang la kulat ban follow up immediately te handing hat sepek ba yo kala namla madon central laws don state laws tinggi lagi dengan government tinggi lang CM tinggi lai pembahi ingin present lang ya ketuga bagi present minin haga jing beting jui tingin meet up the coal minister or union ministry haga jo pengila mi global prime minister brom pensko we jinga nama ba the present scientific mining is not feasible in the state of Meghalaya kindly give us some special consideration if it is possible kata ka de jinga good min haga beting jui haga nama bros ka tu nimpat experience di mining baro state. And nobody knows what type of mining is yet to come. Dan dalam ada pas itu saya nengkongin Pyllait swa. Ke thongjong Sorkar katu por nengkongin live saya kapa. Yes, we accept it. Hanya la poi begitu ke sistem berkalong sisa ke ini. Teman sing hamu biasa komen on dia for request. Kata ada lagi. Olah juni komen.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.